Okay guys, here's some update on my wife's BMW 2011 X6 5.0, I mean 5.0i. So what happened is, at one time, couple days ago, sound disappeared. All the tones and everything just disappeared. No tones, no sound, and I was trying to trace the problem. So I can't start researching to find out where's the amplifier and where's the Bluetooth modules. So first I came to amplifier because it was easy to access, same thing as on this side. So what I came up with, when you turn your ignition on, this will blink red, and it was blinking. But when I got here and disconnected, there's no light was blinking. So I start tracing the issue to figure out where's the problem, what needs to be done. And so I started tracing this cable that works for the sound. I don't remember what is it called. By reading tons of forums, spent a lot of time. So I noticed there's 4 cables coming out from the back. That means from the amplifier and the Bluetooth connection. So I took this thing apart and traced where the connection comes to amplifier. Switched it from amplifier to Bluetooth, see if it will solve the problem or not. And Bluetooth start working, my SOS system start working also, but still no sound, no tone or anything. So then I start checking the fuses. And I always tell everybody first start with the fuses, but I guess I did it wrong way myself too. So by looking in the radio, I check all those fuses. Number 6 is over there on their passenger legs, and 103, 129, 132, 142, it's in here. And here's the diagram where's the fuse is located at. So I found 132 was blown, which is this one, 7.5 amp. So I bought the fuses, and look, every time I install the fuse, it blows right out. So here's the examples. So I started reading forums, what kind of problems people have, and I came across of one guy was saying he has some battery drainage because of his door handles. They didn't work. So this door handle was over here up front, and when I got the car, it was taken apart. So right away I knew where's the problem was. So I replaced this. The original handle was at the front. I put it on the back and cut all the wires over there and put the glue, plastic glue, so the connection doesn't touch anywhere. After I did that, I reinstalled the fuse and everything become back to life. So if you have issues with your radio or sounds, check your fuses first before you dig in further. That's what I did wrong. I always tell people check your fuses first, but I guess I learned the lesson for myself. So this would be, I believe, same location for E70 X5 for the for the amplifier and for the Bluetooth module. I don't know where's the SOS module, and I believe it's somewhere over there, but I didn't dig all the way there because it kind of a lot of digging, a lot of screws needs to be taken out, so I didn't do it. So now, since the problem fixed, I have to put everything back together. I hope you're not gonna do the same mistake that I did. Took apart everything first, then decided that you need to check the fuse. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.